Alright guys, so today I'm going to see if I can get into this new Defense2 stainless steel disc lock that I got at a storage unit place today. It is made in China. Let's see how quick we can get it in. I'm going to try to rake it or rock it open, whatever works for me, and I'll go ahead and show you the bitting on the key. So not too bad, could be a little bit better, but anyway, let's get started. Okay, that was pretty fast. That was using just the S-rake. So yeah, if you guys would like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye bye.